The Etihad Rail passenger train, a pinnacle of modern engineering and design, stands proudly in its original color scheme, gleaming under the sophisticated lighting of a luxurious white English-style showroom, radiating an aura of elegance and precision that captivates anyone who steps into the expansive hall, where every detail, from the polished reflective floors to the soft ambient illumination, has been meticulously curated to highlight the sleek contours and aerodynamic features of the train, a marvel of contemporary rail technology that combines speed, comfort, and sustainability in a single seamless package, designed not only to revolutionize intercity travel within the United Arab Emirates but also to resonate with an international audience appreciative of luxury and innovation. This particular event, orchestrated with utmost grandeur and ceremonial finesse, has been tailored to appeal specifically to a South African audience, ensuring that the unveiling transcends a mere technical exhibition to become a spectacle of cultural significance and aspirational allure. As the space is adorned with subtle yet elegant decor that complements the train's sophisticated exterior while allowing its engineering brilliance to remain the centerpiece, capturing the imagination of viewers and attendees alike. While the sheer scale of the venue accommodates 200 attendees on each side, a crowd comprised of distinguished South African personalities, industry leaders, influencers, and media figures, all gathered to witness the first public display of the train, their presence lending an air of prestige and excitement, a vibrant social tapestry interwoven with expressions of admiration, curiosity, and anticipation, reflecting the train's status not only as a mode of transport but as a symbol of progress, innovation, and international collaboration. The upper section of the visual composition is dominated by the train's model name, boldly inscribed in South African language characters, commanding attention and reinforcing the connection with the target audience while conveying the exclusivity and premium nature of the launch, ensuring that even at a glance, viewers recognize the significance of this unveiling, a message of technological sophistication seamlessly blended with cultural sensitivity, as the font choice, size, and positioning have been carefully selected to maximize visibility, impact, and memorability, complementing the overall aesthetic harmony of the scene. The train itself, meticulously crafted to offer unmatched passenger experience, showcases a polished exterior with smooth lines, gleaming windows, and subtly highlighted mechanical elements, reflecting both the power and elegance inherent in its design, while the interior, partially visible through open doors and large glass panels, hints at luxurious seating arrangements, spacious aisles, ambient lighting systems, high-tech screens, and ergonomic layouts, all of which promise a journey defined by comfort, style, and modern convenience, emphasizing that every inch of the vehicle has been thoughtfully engineered to meet the highest standards of functionality, safety, and aesthetic appeal, making it not merely a transportation system but a mobile statement of architectural and mechanical artistry. Throughout the showroom, reflections on the pristine floors amplify the train's visual impact, creating a sense of depth and grandeur, while soft shadows add realism and a dynamic interplay of light, guiding the viewer's eye naturally toward the train and its features, enhancing the cinematic quality of the scene, which is further enriched by the presence of the assembled crowd, whose carefully arranged positions, gestures, and interactions communicate admiration and engagement, offering a sense of scale that underscores the train's impressive dimensions and the exclusivity of the launch, creating an immersive narrative that resonates both visually and emotionally, as the viewers can almost sense the quiet hum of excitement, the subtle murmurs of discussion, and the occasional flashes of cameras capturing this historic moment. The ceremonial aspects of the event, meticulously choreographed, include subtle but meaningful elements such as ribbon cutting, speeches, and official acknowledgements, all orchestrated to highlight not just the technical prowess of the train but also the collaborative effort and vision behind it, emphasizing a narrative of human ingenuity, international cooperation, and the shared pursuit of progress, while the presence of renowned South African figures strategically positioned among the attendees reinforces a sense of connection, relatability, and cultural resonance, ensuring that the unveiling is experienced as both a celebration of engineering excellence and a moment of pride and inspiration for the target audience. Every element, from the positioning of lighting fixtures that cast a gentle glow over the train's contours, to the careful arrangement of attendees ensuring unobstructed views and optimal composition for photography and videography, to the subtle inclusion of branding elements that reinforce corporate identity without overwhelming the scene, has been considered to create a holistic visual experience that is at once awe-inspiring, aspirational, and immediately recognizable, perfectly suited for use in promotional materials, digital content, and media coverage aimed at capturing the imagination of South African audiences, enticing them with the promise of luxury, performance, and innovative transport solutions, while subtly conveying the sophistication and forward-thinking ethos of Etihad Rail as a brand and as an emblem of modern rail travel. The train's engineering details, partially visible from strategic angles, speak volumes about the attention to technical excellence, showcasing advanced propulsion systems, streamlined structural components, and state-of-the-art materials designed for efficiency, durability, and passenger comfort, while the ambiance of the showroom ensures that these features are highlighted without diminishing the overall elegance and aesthetic appeal, creating a delicate balance between showcasing raw engineering brilliance and maintaining the allure of luxury, a duality that defines the very essence of Etihad Rail's passenger services. The use of original colors throughout the train's exterior, faithfully represented in this presentation, ensures authenticity and brand integrity, while the combination of glossy and matte finishes adds depth, texture, and realism, enhancing the visual storytelling and making the image resonate with both technical enthusiasts and general viewers, providing a comprehensive representation of the train's identity and design philosophy. The cumulative effect of all these elements, the train's stunning design, the luxurious showroom, the carefully curated lighting, the presence of a prominent South African audience, and the bold, culturally resonant display of the model name, creates an unforgettable visual narrative that communicates prestige, innovation, and excitement, inviting viewers to imagine themselves experiencing the train firsthand, while reinforcing the notion that this launch event is not merely a display of transportation technology but a landmark occasion that bridges cultures, showcases global expertise, and celebrates the spirit of progress, all encapsulated in a single, striking, and memorable visual tableau that leaves a lasting impression long after the event concludes.